Hey lovely people, it's been quite a while since we last posted our videos. So today let me take you along to a South Asian grocery store in Hong Kong Island. So this is basically a one-stop shop where you can get all your provisions, groceries, then all the masala items that you want, the ready to eat, vegetables, fruits, and like almost anything pertaining to your home grocery needs under one roof. And yeah, please consider subscribing to our channel. It definitely does motivate us. So without much ado, let's get started. Okay, so on our way to the store now. This shop is basically located between the HKU MTR and the Kennedy Town MTR. So it is basically accessible from both these MTR stations. And I would say, since it is near to the HKU MTR, all the HKU students of the South Asian community as well as the regular South Asian community residing close by or in Hong Kong Island can make the best use of this particular grocery store. So this shop is located in Hong Kong Industrial Building right next to the Tesla showroom. Well, don't go by the looks of this building. I definitely did have a tough time convincing my husband that this indeed is the building and the floor where the shop is located. So here we are finally at the Localitree. I know you must be wondering, this is one shop that you already heard about. Yes, definitely you would have. They do have an online website where you can place your orders for home delivery. But then I would say that this is more convenient if you reside nearby, because you can actually come here, pick up the things that you need. You can just go through all the items that they have of the various brands and then pick and choose whatever that suits you. So they do have a lots of variety of pulses and then wheat flours, rice, grams, whatever you are looking forward to. Also they do have the ghee variety, but when I went, the ghee variety was comparatively less. Then they have all the masala items, various types of oils, be it the virgin coconut oil or the sesame oil, groundnut oil. So basically all the oils and a very wide variety of all the masalas that you would need. So like I said before, they have lots of varieties of lots of brands, so you can pick and choose the one that suits you the best. So there are a wide range of snacks available, so you can pick and choose whatever you like the most. And then yes, they do have the ready mixes from kids as well as the MTR brand. So these mix will definitely come in handy when you're running out of time. And also they do provide us an option for ready to eat, so there are loads of ready to eat items as well. Now coming to my favorite part, that is the veggies. So here you can find a wide range of varieties which normally you don't get in the local pet market. So you get all types of green leafy vegetables, especially the red carrots. I just love them. The okras and all these vegetables that you don't normally get in your local wet market. So all those vegetables you would easily get here. Please do check out the store and let us know in comments whether you liked it. Meanwhile, we will try to get you a list of other South Asian stores in Hong Kong Island. Thanks for watching.